Some people just say Féis by itself, which means welcome. But Féis is much warmer. And if you're talking to one person, this is what's known as a prepositional pronoun. You're talking to the person. So it's a welcome from the heart on you. Orst. And if you're talking to more than one person, and if you want to be polite, with the Gaelic language, it's like the Old English, thou and thee. So that's more than one person, or the polite form. I like to teach using polite plural. That's how I describe it. Gael, polite plural. So if there's more than one here, I would say
Oh,
most definitely. Chanel. Absolutely. So you're a female, you're white, you're alive, and you're on the oldest side.
Available cork?
Oh. Linda, available cork? I don't think so. She plays with it, but yeah.
Okay, so we'll say Hanya.
Chanel. If she is Gaelic, then she's very affluent and turned on. So Chanel, like Gleek. Do we say Karen Gleek? Gleekish?
Leakish.
Gleekish.
Have you only more?
Oh! So, living female is wise and big.
Dolly Parton.